fenugreek leaves
Okay, so to make Indian dal, dry fenugreek leaves.
in
That's
the oil,
amazing.
and then it becomes a little. It burns. It burns these leaves, so you wait.
And that's
for
olive oil?
any oil.
Then
It's better
oil
to use
with ginger.
vegetable oil, no olive oil, because
Okay,
olive oil
vegetable
has
oil.
flavor. It has flavor.
And this you combine with the
Yeah, this
string
one,
tomatoes.
1 cup is the lentils.
The lentils.
So
one.
this one can be only 1 or less than 1 cup of tomato. I don't have to record.
Let me check the dal. Where is the dal? Oh yeah, and then yeah. So
This one.
So we're making the dal, chana dal beans. That's amazing. Beans from India. So 3 cups of water and 1 cup of dal
Yes.
in lentils.
Yes.
And then we do separate the tomato base with again with
You put maybe 2 spoons or 3 tablespoons of oil, and then ginger,
and
then some of this dried leaves.
fenugreek, no?
Yeah. So
And then you add tomato.
later, first
Later.
it has to become a little brown, and the leaves have to burn,
Okay. Wow.
and you can see the flavor.
Now the flavor is starting to, yeah, that's amazing. Wow. Very nice.
Just 2 minutes, it should be there.
So
Three-fourth.
he's measuring 3/4 of tomato paste for the base, and we have to wait, no?
Yeah, wait. And it's not tomato paste, it's strained tomato.
Strained tomato.
Yeah, that's a different thing.
Okay, so it's strained tomato. Strained tomato. But it's Italian.
Yeah,
Good.
and it has no preservatives or nothing.
Nice. Here, my friend Sachin making the dal for YouTube. Everybody on YouTube.
Oh no, don't put me.
So when you're making the dal, you do it at low flame,
See the oil, you can see it's separate now.
and then
the top.
when the oil comes up to the top,
And
then it's done. And what else you do then?
That's it. Turn
Just-
it off. You can add the salt
Then you can add a bit of salt.
and this the spice for. Yeah.
That looks really good. So we have to add 1 more spice and a bit of salt.
Yeah. That spice is the garam masala.
It's called masala?
The garam masala, you know,
Garam masala. So this is garam masala, spice powder, and this you put like maybe
one spoon.
1 tablespoon, and then you mix it.
Yeah, that's it.
And then you, after that, when lentils are done, you mix all together. Amazing. And what's the name of this one here?
This was the tawa fried.
Oh, the tala fry. Let me see the tala fry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. So this one, you just put oil
Vegetables.
for vegetables, no?
Just put, but I'm marinating it. So
Tawa
that means
fried.
I put lemon,
Lemon, oil,
this,
and tala
and
fry.
salt,
With
and
salt.
then leave it for 20-30 minutes.
Oh, nice.
Only after that we put it in the oven.
Nice. Tala fry masala. And then you put it in the oven. For how long you put it in the oven?
You broil, then you check after
Broil
5 minutes, and
5 minutes.
it
Only
looks
for
like
5
burnt,
minutes?
and then you turn,
You turn
and
around.
then 15 minutes at least.
Yes, very nice. 15 minutes and that's it. You got tawa fried vegetables masala.